SolidGigs Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing SolidGigs, a freelancer platform designed to simplify the process of finding high-quality freelance work. If you're interested in exploring the platform, links are available in the description below. SolidGigs is tailored for freelancers who want to streamline their job hunting process and focus more on their craft rather than endlessly searching for clients. Unlike traditional freelance platforms, SolidGigs curates a hand-picked list of job opportunities from across the web, delivering the best leads directly to your inbox. It's an excellent solution for busy professionals who value their time and want a steady stream of quality leads. One of SolidGigs' standout features is its curated job board. Instead of wading through countless listings, you get access to a filtered selection of high-quality well-paying gigs that match your skills. The platform covers a wide range of industries, including writing, design, marketing, and development, ensuring there's something for nearly every type of freelancer. Another great feature is the educational resources SolidGigs provides. Subscribers gain access to an extensive library of tools, templates, and courses designed to help freelancers improve their skills, market themselves effectively, and grow their businesses. These resources add significant value, particularly for those looking to refine their approach to freelancing. SolidGigs also prioritizes simplicity. Its clean and intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate, and the weekly emails keep you informed about new opportunities without overwhelming you. Instead of spending hours on multiple platforms, you can focus on the jobs that matter most. In summary, SolidGigs is an excellent platform for freelancers who want to save time and effort in finding quality work, while also accessing valuable resources to enhance their freelancing careers. It's particularly ideal for those who are proactive about landing clients, but prefer a curated and efficient approach. If this sounds like the right fit for you, check out the links in the description to learn more and start streamlining your freelance journey today.